Hello and welcome to the second part of the Sarcastic Fantastic collection. In this part of the video we're gonna show you, or I'm gonna show you, the pocket pages, cards, Maydays, stickers, and how you can use them. So we have the cards, and you get the design in 3x3 and 3x4, and we check out here the 3x4 sizes, and you have also a version with the wording on it, so with some sarcastic quotes or word arts. And then we have a clean version also in 3x3 and 3x4, so you can use them how they are and write on it whatever you like to, or add a word art or what you want to. And then we have those quotes. You get the quotes itself in the Artsy Bits and Pieces pack as well, so whatever you like to have, you get everything in cards and also as PNG files. And this is how they look like, and of course you get them in let's go back in 3x3, and they are in the same folder, and in 3x4. I have drawn those frames by hand, so this is everything really artsy style. And then we have some solid ones also here, those ones with and without the wording, and in 3x3 and 3x4. Huge pack of cards, awesome and great to combine and to use in different ways, also with different collections if the color fits together. But it's unbelievable how a lot of different collections go with each other. The next pack are the Maydays. This is something new I've tried now. So you get here to document your days. Different kind of days, weekdays, hello with hello, and May, Tuesday, Wednesday, goes all about a May. And I like to add that now in the future to the next collection as well. So this is how they look like. And altogether you get almost 130 different kind of wordings here. So now we go back here. I'm gonna open here let's check that out. Psd file, not the artsy. I want to clean this one. Okay. And now we go back to the Maydays. And there's a folder with tools. You can open them. And what I also added here is a layered Psd file. So all the little word art snippets you can see here are in this layered file. So if you want to open it and use it how it is, this is how it looks like. It's layered. You also the layers are named fully, so you can find everything what you wanted. But what you now can do is, with the attached styles here, ASL, and this is the ABR file, which we don't need at the moment. So we have here the styles, and now you can go and use them on those stickers. Sticker style, we have outline, we have color overlay styles, and we have button style. Color overlay, click on it here, and we can recolor those ones. Okay, this is outline. This is a sticker style. No. Why does this not work now? So, okay, what is important is sometimes you need to delete the whole style. Now it changes everything. You have the color. Okay, so if you want to create now, maybe you use a template, and you can drag and drop then from this file onto your canvas. You have everything on one canvas, and you can pick what you wanted. You can drag and drop that one and start to try to decorate it with the styles. You have here the sticker style. Then we have this not working with those ones, and color overlay, for example this here. Whew. Go back to Photoshop. We use that one over here. Also here we can add here the colors what we want, and the sticker style gives a really great effect if you have small letters. It's really embossed. And also we have here this sticker style is also pretty cool. This is the Maydays pack. You can use this in many other collection as well, because you can use it with the styles. You are not fixed to any colors. You have the styles here, but within the next month you get more and more such files, and you have a huge set at the end of the year to create really such beautiful layouts to document your pages. And especially if you a template user, you will love to have these kind of opportunity to decorate and add little details on your pages. I can delete that this Monday, and then I hope you like this idea. I really loved to create that because it's really, I think it's pretty cool to use. So this is it. So we have here the sticker style, color overlay, or the button style here is also nice. So, okay. Schließen. Okay, so this is the layered Psd files. This is included. Best is if you work on it and you you don't need to save it. If you want to save it, this is up to you. Do however you want to do it. Don't want to make here a big thing. Yes, so these are the Maydays. Of course, you get them as PNG files, you get them as a brush file, you get them as a layered file, all the little snippets here as one PSD file, and then we have the tools. A really nice set to work and to document your pages. The next folders are the stickers. We already saw them in the element video, which I've recorded before, and this is what you get here in this sticker file. You get here those funny faces and some really fun stickers here, and also here two versions. We have the clean version, totally clean with nothing on top, no texture, no outline, nothing, so you can use it how it is, or you can decorate it or start to add some other textures if you like to. This is up to you. So here is the pack for the pocket pages, scrappers. You get all the packs as one element packs, or as a big bundle with all the cards, the Maydays and the stickers in all in one, and of course with a better price. So this was now the pocket pages video, and I will record now the next one with the Painter's Toolbox. We're gonna see us there. Have a happy time. Bye.